Imagine you all have some problem in your life that you're struggling with that dogs you, yeah? You ever notice that in life? It's problems everywhere. You're either just coming out of one, you're in one, or you know one's coming. Mm-hmm. And every once in a while, life gives you a break from your problems. And it's called a crisis. You're like, this guy's a real negative Nancy. Okay, but the reason I mention it is because you probably have something right now in your life, or you have a friend who's really dealing with something serious. So whatever that is, just have that in mind. Because imagine this, I say, can you believe it? Tomorrow, right here in this space, is a workshop on that exact thing. Whatever the situation is, like, it couldn't be more tailored. And I say, it's going to be great. And you say, okay. Tad's jokes are funny. He had a nice hat. I trust him. I'm going to go. So you go. And the workshop is fucking terrible. It's what could this imaginary workshop be about? What might be a real life problem it could be about?
Back pain.
Back pain, great. So it's a workshop about back pain, but the content is so ridiculous. It's like, if you want to deal with your back pain, what you got to do is just cut off all emotional support in your life and toughen up. Suck it up. You got to just stop exercising and stop moving. A sedentary lifestyle for 5 years will cure you of this. And it's so bad that you're just sitting there, you're like, I just have to, you're just like, wow. You're taking notes just because you want to tell it. You're taking like little videos just so you can share with your friends. That's the only reason. But then when it gets to the pitch, it's a great pitch. It's like, here's this package. It's a 3-month coaching package. And if you don't have, a 75% reduction in your back pain, we'll not only refund your money, we'll give you double your money back. And you're like, that's a good, whatever you imagine a good pitch to be, it's like the top. And it doesn't matter, you still don't buy. Yeah? Because like your pitch was great, but your premise is bullshit. If you want to beat your candida, nothing but refined sugar for 10 days. You're just like, Jesus, this is mad. Struggling in your romantic relationship, just shame and blame. Repeat after me. Shame.